Welcome back to the next step of this 2009 YZ250F. I'm Chris with Chris's Tech Tips. Thanks for tuning in. All right, today we are gonna pull the valves out, double check the valves look good. We'll clean them up, put some new valve seals in there. Go ahead and shim the head and put this back on the motor and get this motor buttoned up. All right, just gonna wedge these up because I'm gonna pop these valves out. When you hit them down, those valves are gonna drop down. You don't want it on a flat surface because then you'll have, you could bend the valve. So let's take a socket about that size. You want to place these out in order, and you got to be careful because the spring retainers like to pop out on you. So let's try this first one, see how it goes. There we go. Just got to hit it a little harder. Make sure you got two retainers, your retainer cup, your spring. And we're going to lay those out in the order they come out. So this one is the center one. Go. I didn't think those valves would be that bad. That's a bummer. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it, but these valves have gotten really sharp. And what's happened is what you call is they're tuliping. So they're actually pulling up through the head and they've gotten sharp. And once they start pulling up so far, you run out of valve clearance and you can't adjust them and you can't start it. Bummer deal. We're gonna have to do valves on this too. Well, it's a good thing we checked. Valves and springs and valve seals. Man, even these exhausts are sharp. Bummer. Well, okay. Now we know. Valve seats look good. Well, I guess we're moving on to the next step. The only problem is I'm gonna have to order parts and we're gonna have to see, I'd rather go with the Kibble White valve spring kit because they're really nice, but they're also a lot more money. We might be able to do like a Pro X spring kit for maybe 2/3 of the price of a Kibble White. But yeah, I'll go ahead and clean this head up. We'll see which direction we want to go. We'll do some pricing, and yeah, the next episode is we'll be doing a valve job on this 2009 YZ250F. We'll put the new valves in. We'll get them seated. Then we'll do a valve adjustment guide, show you how I adjust all the valves before I even put it on the bike. That way this motor is going to be ready to fire maybe 5 kicks when we put it in the machine. All right, thanks for tuning in. Give me a thumbs up if you like. Also, leave me some comments. And if you guys, I always say this, if you guys need any help, shoot me an email. I'd be glad to help. Definitely subscribe to this video so you can stay up to date on my latest and greatest builds. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Chris with Chris's Tech Tips. We'll catch you next time. See you, bye.